Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 futuristic gadgets that are available now. These gadgets are not only cool and innovative, but they also provide a glimpse into the future of technology. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 10, we have the Neuraloop headphones. These headphones are not your typical wireless earbuds. They use a unique technology called adaptive sound that adjusts the audio to your hearing profile. The Neuraloop headphones also have touch controls and a long battery life of up to 16 hours. At number 9, we have the Segway 9Bot S Pod. This self-balancing transportation device looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. The Segway 9Bot S Pod can reach a top speed of 24 miles per hour and has a range of up to 43 miles. It's also equipped with a futuristic control panel and LED lights. At number 8, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. This drone is equipped with a Hasselblad camera that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. It also has a 3-axis gimbal that provides smooth and stable footage. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro can fly up to 45 miles per hour and has a range of up to 8 miles. At number 6, we have the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. This standalone VR headset provides an immersive gaming and entertainment experience. It has a high-resolution display and a powerful processor that can handle even the most demanding games. The Oculus Quest 2 is also wireless and has built-in hand tracking. At number 5, we have the Philips Smart Sleep Deep Sleep Headband. This headband uses advanced sensors to monitor your sleep and deliver personalized audio tones to enhance deep sleep. The Philips Smart Sleep Deep Sleep Headband is comfortable to wear and has a long battery life. At number 4, we have the Sony WH-1000XM4 noise-canceling headphones. These headphones have advanced noise-canceling technology that can block out even the most distracting sounds. The Sony WH-1000XM4 also has touch controls and a long battery life of up to 30 hours. At number 3, we have the Tesla Model S Plaid. This electric car has a range of up to 390 miles and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.98 seconds. The Tesla Model S Plaid also has a futuristic interior with a 17-inch touchscreen display and advanced driver assistance features. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This foldable smartphone has a large 7.6-inch foldable display that can also be used as a tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 also has a powerful processor, 5G connectivity, and a triple camera system. And finally, at number 1, we have the Neuralink brain-computer interface. This groundbreaking device, developed by Elon Musk's Neuralink company, allows for direct communication between the human brain and computers. The Neuralink brain-computer interface uses a series of small electrodes implanted in the brain to transmit signals to a computer. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the fields of medicine, communication, and even entertainment. And there you have it, the top 10 futuristic gadgets that are available now. These gadgets are just the beginning of what's to come in the world of technology. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool gadget videos.